What is up? Alright, so it's really early, it's 5 a.m. and I'm heading over to VVIVID Vinyl in Montreal. It's about a 5-hour drive. Should be there about 10:30. And I'm gonna go say hello. I'm gonna give you guys an inside look at what's going on. I've never been before. I wanted to show you what's up. And yeah, meet everyone there, meet the team. I know they got a few things lined up for me. So I'm just in the car right now and yeah, we're heading over. Anyways, let's go have a look and see what's going on at VVIVID. So we made it, roughly 5 hours later. I'm in Montreal. There's a heck of a lot of snow here and I'm at VVIVID's headquarters, so I'm gonna walk around front. They asked me to walk around front and do the whole front door thing. You can see a bunch of VVIVID stuff in the window up there. So they were talking to me yesterday about how they do all kinds of different things. So we're gonna be checking out different kinds of things that they do. Just gonna make sure I lock my car. Cool. Checking out the different kinds of things that they do, and you know, what kind of new stuff they got going on. And just gonna have a look around and meet everyone because I've been talking to them for a long time and see how this goes. Now I don't know which door I'm going in. There's a lot of snow here. All right, must be this door. So there's the sign over there. I'm guessing this is the front door. They got a lot of snow here. I see they shoveled it really nicely. Alright, this looks like a front entrance way. Let's check it out. Oh, it's open. Alright. Alright, so we're inside. What's going on?
Not much, what do you say, man?
Not much, man. How's it going?
Good, good.
Good, good. Care about being on camera, or?
Yeah.
I thought I'd do a little introduction of walking in here.
I thought you were gonna like at least give us a heads up. Now you just came like full blown.
Yeah. Surprise, man. Yeah. So this is the looks like the waiting area / office front entranceway. How's it going, man?
Me too.
You too, man. You too, man. Very good. There's the man right there. Everyone's a little camera shy, I guess. I'm still camera shy, so don't worry. All right, guys. So we just kind of got into the main space here, where they have some sample booklets, tools, speed shapes, that kind of stuff. Stuff to like demo show on these panels here. Carbon fiber, perforated film right here on this panel. We've got industrial grade stuff, the Deco 65, many different colors. These are just cylinders that are wrapped, actually, so doesn't come like this. So don't expect your vinyl to come like that. We've got some leather. So they do a lot of these structural films where you can actually like wrap your desk in this film, and it looks really impressive. In the office that I was just in, they have the desk wrapped in the leather and it looks wicked. It's all stitched and stuff, looks amazing. So yeah, a bunch of swatches. I've got a bunch of these already. VVIVID Plus. And then over here we have a little diagram where they explain to me the process of how they do their manufacturing. So this is VVIVID Vinyl's manufacturing system right here. So we start off down in this section where we have the raw vinyl mixture, so kind of what I was showing you, like the powders, that kind of stuff. This is called plastisol, and this ends up going on a casting sheet, basically. So this is a reusable casting sheet, it's recyclable, and this actually runs up and underneath while this plastisol is poured on top of the casting sheet. So then it runs through an oven, or these dryers, vents the gases out, and it hardens the vinyl, basically. And then the casting sheet comes here and it gets separated from the vinyl. The vinyl comes through and gets rolled up over here, and the casting sheet goes back through this process here and is recycled. So they never waste anything as far as that goes. Now once that's done, the roll is transferred up here and we get into the adhesive side of things. So again, the adhesive is going to be laid down and coat it here. And then it's going to go through the oven. And then once that happens, it's going to come down here, and backing paper is going to be put on and rolled in together with the vinyl right around here, and comes out as a final product on the blue side. So pretty straightforward stuff. I mean, I don't know if you knew that or not. I didn't really know all of it, but that's the process of how they do their vinyl wraps, or how they make their vinyl. So we're gonna go over here and we're gonna meet Randall.
Awesome.
This is, what do you do here, Randall?
I am customer service.
Customer service, or my sales rep right
Sales
here.
rep,
Right?
yeah, 100%.
So,
take care of everything you need.
yeah, it takes care of everything, right? It's great. Always make sure I've got everything I need, and even steals it from offices, from other people if I need it. So.
Your role's the first priority.
Yeah. So how did you get into this business, like this wrap business?
Just actually found out about VVIVID online and
Yeah.
showed up here and talked to Johnny and Abe. And they gave me a job. Always been into cars. So,
Yeah. So you're into cars?
Yes, 100%.
Awesome.
We got a race shop, Race Bureau.
So you got a race shop?
Yes, here in
Nice.
Montreal for sure.
So you do it. So is that like a part-time gig on the side, or you just do it for fun? It's like a hobby?
It's our hobby, I guess,
it's a
and
hobby.
it's our gig. It's pretty much the other side of our life. So when
Nice.
we're not here, we're there.
So are you wrapping cars? Do you wrap your cars there?
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're watching my videos to learn how?
Always, yeah. My minions just loving your videos.
Yeah.
They wish they could come here to get autographs. Are you kidding me?
So he's watching my videos and he's learning, and that's awesome. How do you like it here?
I'm loving it.
Yeah.
You guys are great. The product's great. So yeah. It's
Good.
a thing to be involved with right
It's
now.
good to finally meet you. You know,
Yes,
I haven't met you until now. It's just a voice over the phone, but it's a pleasure, man. It's a pleasure for sure. I'll see you back around when I come around. I'm gonna walk through the warehouse right now.
Awesome.
That's Randall. That's my man right there. All right. Then there's Mike. He sits here. I've known him for like 20 years. I think before VVIVID even happened, but he's not here right now. All right. So we're in the warehouse. We're in the facility, and this is kind of where they're gonna store everything. It's a large area. We're gonna go over here, and this is where they're gonna do the VVIVID shop stuff. So, how you doing? You don't mind being on camera? Yeah. All right. So you're doing a lot of the VVIVID shop stuff. This is the stuff to order, basically, like 2 feet, 5 feet, smaller stuff. Yeah. So yeah, he's take care of all the fine details. That's a lot of orders, guys. These guys putting through a lot of orders each day, and I was told that he's a machine. So he's getting a lot of stuff out all the time for you guys. Like, look at all these. He's got to package all this little stuff right here. So that's a lot of stuff to put together, and you guys are ordering it. So thought I'd show you guys this, and great way to store your films. Look at some camo there. I haven't even actually seen this in person yet. I know they have it. I've just never seen it. But yeah, thank you. Let's go into the next area over here where we get into. I'll walk through here. How you doing? So we get into the process of the labels, I believe. This is the labeling area, and this is where the items ship out. So they've got it all by weight here and everything. And then there's another, there is labels over here. How you doing?
I'm very good.
Good. So all the labels for the bottles, for the detail sprays, that kind of stuff. So they're slapping them all on here. Just cutting out sample sheets, and you do the swatches here as well. The color books, yeah. So he's doing samples for the color books. Tedious. These guys work hard. So I wouldn't want to. I don't know if I could do it, but again, people say that about wrapping cars too. So wrapping cars is tough. So here's a bunch of stock right here. VVIVID does work with a few brands like Oracle, 3M, and Sizer. So I don't know if you guys knew that or not. 3M, obviously very popular. So 3M and Oracle and VVIVID all work together in conjunction to kind of borrow each other's ideas, I suppose, and come up with better products in the end. So I think VVIVID does a bit of production for 3M and vice versa, and same with Oracle. So it's back and forth. I am allowed to say this because it is true, and this is just how it goes here. So you'll notice a bunch of 3M stuff kicking around. There's a bunch of rolls right there. There's a whole pile of 3M, a whole bunch right there. More here, more here. So there's tons of 3M. This entire area is all 3M all the way down. other than when you get back down to that section over there. Over here, they are doing, so there's heat transfer films, that kind of stuff. It's all cut up, and just some products, different products that they keep around. Lots and lots of samples, and just overstock stuff. Not overstock, but just leftover bits. Way more than I have in my shop. So yeah, that's this section over here. Look at the boxes. All kinds of stuff, guys. There's like brushed metals, chromes, camos, everything. Let's go have a look right around here, and let's have a look at the rest of the warehouse on this section over here. Can't go back there. That's a secret area that I'm not allowed to go. And there's some like technology back there that I just can't show on camera. So they're doing manufacturing back there and some processing of stuff, of vinyl that I can't show you because of the way they do it, and they don't want that getting out. So kind of happy to be here. I get to be part of this. So we've got lots of stuff in stock, guys. It's not like they don't have anything here. All these shelves are full. So you might wonder why sometimes when you call in, you don't have something there. Well, you know, supply and demand. Sometimes matte black sells faster than gloss pink. And so they're gonna have gloss pink in stock, and they might not have matte black in stock. But lots of stuff is in stock. There's a ton more room in the back. This is approximately, I think he said 70,000 square feet. They're adding in another, I think it's around another 70,000 square feet over there. And they're bringing these two buildings together side by side here. There's a building right out there. I actually parked right out that door. And so they're adding two buildings together, and they're adding another floor to this building. So it should be probably close to 200,000 square feet by the time they're done. It'll be more than twice the size of this place right now. Lots of room, and hopefully have everything going on here. All the processing, all the manufacturing, everything made in Canada, completely top to bottom. All right. Hope you guys like this video. Do have a couple more videos to do, but this is kind of like the introduction of how I came to VVIVID the first time, and show you around the facility and what happens here, and what we're kind of working on together as far as me using their product and yeah, meeting them. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.